As we move on to the 13th edition of the Indian Premier League, there still remain three active teams that have not yet won the trophy: the Royal Challengers Bangalore, the Delhi Capitals, and the Preeti Zinta's co-owned Kings 11 Punjab. In this video, we will be discussing the curious case of Kings 11 Punjab. The Mohali-based franchise has finished at the position of 6th on an average in the last 12 seasons. Their total win percentage being 46 is just 2% better than the last placed Delhi Capitals. Their brand value too is less than 50% of the brand value of the wealthiest team, Mumbai Indians. In this video, we examine why Kings 11 Punjab has not been able to build a successful IPL team. In 2008, Kings 11 Punjab was led by their icon player, the local hero, Yuvraj Singh. They had also bought Irfan Pathan Breathley along with Kumara Sangakkara and the relatively unknown Shaun Marsh. They appointed the Australian Tom Moody as their coach to guide the side, which had a good mixture of youth and experience. Kings 11 Punjab were extremely dominant in the league stages as they ended up second on the points table but unfortunately lost in the knockout stage. In the following decade, nothing went as per the plan for the Punjab team. In 2009, they dropped 3 places to the 5th position. In 2010, they dropped 3 more places and finished last, which prompted the dismissal of the entire core team of Yuvraj Singh, James Hopes, Breathley, Kumara Sangakkara and Mahela Jayawardene. Dinesh Karthik and Praveen Kumar went on to become the part of the new core team from 2011, while Adam Gilchrist was made the new skipper. They even dropped Tom Moody and made Michael Bevan the new coach. With these changes, they managed to get back to the 5th position in 2011. However, they missed out on the playoff spot again in 2012. Well, they had let go of Dinesh Karthik and had to pay the price for that, as they missed an able middle order player to support David Miller in the death overs. They made no changes in the following season and ended up at this exact same position. The following season, they changed their core team again and splashed some big amounts of money on the likes of Mitchell Johnson, Glenn Maxwell, Virender Sehwag, Akshar Patel and Wriddhiman Saha. George Bailey was appointed as their new captain. The first 20 matches of the season were played in UAE and Maxwell took it to like fish to water. He recorded 300 runs in 5 matches and Kings 11 Punjab won all of them. While things took a downward turn for Maxwell, Kings 11 Punjab won 6 out of their 9 games in India and topped the points table. They reached the final with Sehwag and Saha scoring centuries in the qualifier and final respectively. However, they failed to defend 199 and lost in the final over against Kolkata Knight Riders. It was so close yet so far for Kings 11 Punjab as they haven't qualified for the playoffs since then. The squad did not change much in 2015, but they had the worst fall in the standings and finished last. What changed? Well, consistency. The players who did well in 2014 failed in 2015 and no new stars emerged. Murali Vijay and Glenn Maxwell were tried as captains in 2016 and 17, but they finished 5th and last respectively. Similar drastic changes kept happening for the next few years, and the overall look of the side kept on changing every year. The likes of Shaun Marsh and Glenn Maxwell were discarded too after their 2017 failure, and it became more of a burden to the team rather than the asset. The experiments with Miller and R. Ashwin as captain also failed. So what exactly went wrong in all these years for Kings 11 Punjab? The short answer is mismanagement. In a tournament like IPL where every franchise gets equal opportunity to build teams, it's the job of the management to make sure they pick the right people and back them. We are not talking about the team management here, we are talking about the people who run the cricketing side of the franchises. They have suffered deeply from their inability to look at the bigger picture. Too many abrupt changes in the team management as well as the core players in search of shortcut glory has contributed largely to their downfall. As we move into 2020, it's high time for Kings 11 Punjab to start delivering winning performances on the field. With IPL taking place in UAE and Glenn Maxwell in the side, Kings 11 Punjab already have their noses ahead. They probably have the most balanced side they have ever had in terms of players, roles as well as the experience. KL Rahul, their skipper, is a dynamic young lad but lacks experience, which can be provided by their new coach Anil Kumble. Kings 11 Punjab has all the essentials that can ensure success if they hit the ground running in the upcoming tournament. Check our other whiteboard style cricket videos backed by deep research. Kindly subscribe to our channel and help us grow. Thank you.